Congratulations on taking the first steps towards a sound financial future. This short video tutorial will take you through our program to help you remove erroneous, obsolete, and inaccurate information from your credit report. We also want to share with you your role in helping us establish a more sound financial future for you and your family. United Credit Education Services is a DBA for the Youth Financial Literacy Foundation, a 501c3 nonprofit organization. At United Credit Education Services, we take great pride in our exceptional rating with the Better Business Bureau and on the educational programs we offer to consumers and to the thousands of middle school children across the United States that participate in our award-winning Family Mint program. So let's get started on your credit restoration program. The first thing we are going to do is to obtain and analyze your credit reports from the major credit agencies. Once this is completed, this information will be uploaded into your online account, which we will discuss a little later in this video. As we begin our process, we ask that you do the following to assure quick and accurate results. First, add us to your contact list to receive all of our communications. Second, provide your proof of identity documents to us. We need this information so that the credit agencies will process your dispute letters. The credit agencies are very sensitive to identity theft, and they are going to be supplying you with personal and financial information. To accomplish this, they are going to be asking for proof of your Social Security number, which means a document that includes your full name and all 9 digits of your Social Security number. Acceptable Social Security documents are a copy of a Social Security card, an employer pay stub, or a 1099 form. In addition to the Social Security document, you will need to provide a proof of residence that reflects the name and address that you used in your application with United Credit. Acceptable address documents are a credit card or utility bill, insurance statements, or an updated driver's license, providing it has your correct address on it. Take one of the documents from each of the 2 categories above and do one of the following. Take a clear picture with your phone and email it to documents@united-credit.org, or scan and email these documents to documents@united-credit.org. After we receive these documents, you are going to receive a 9x11 white envelope mailed to your home that will include your dispute letters for Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. We will also attach your proof of identity you sent us. Please review these documents carefully to assure these are the correct items that you want disputed. If any changes are needed on your dispute letters, please contact United Credit and they will make the necessary corrections. After your review, sign and mail them to each credit agency. Their address will be found at the top of each letter. In about 30 to 45 days after you mail your dispute letters, you should begin receiving responses from the credit agencies. By law, the credit agencies have to contact your creditors, review the information you provided, and respond back to you. Forward any and all responses you receive to United Credit Education Services. When we receive your information, we will update your account online and prepare your next round of dispute letters. It is very important that you scan and email this information to documents@united-credit.org or mail them to the address indicated on our website. Your service consists of 5 sets of dispute letters, each being approximately 60 days apart. Keep in mind, individual results vary depending on your credit profile and participation in the program. You will be able to access your account online at www.united-credit.org. Go to the top of the page and click on the Login button. Your username is going to be your email address, and your password is going to be the last 4 digits of your Social Security number. After you sign in, you will arrive at your own customer profile page, which will include your account information and your initial credit score. You will also have the ability to click on the Progress Report tab that will show you all of your derogatory accounts for all 3 credit agencies. Click on each of the tabs to view the detail information for Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. When you begin the credit restoration process, each line item being worked on will show in dispute. As time goes on, the status will change depending on what has happened with that account. On the right side of the website, you can see a summary of all 3 credit agencies indicating the original accounts. Any new derogatory accounts that were added, the number of accounts that were deleted, and the number of accounts still in dispute. This information is available to you 24/7, or you can contact our customer support department Monday through Friday, 9 to 5 Eastern Standard Time. While you are in our credit restoration program, remember your success also depends on the following: paying each and every one of your bills on time. If possible, pay your revolving credit balance down to 30% or less of your available credit line. Pay off or settle collection or past due debt. Avoid opening any additional accounts. Avoid any large purchases. Make sure to be using open lines of credit. If necessary, obtain a secured credit card. For additional information regarding our service, please contact us at 248-848-9065. Thank you.